Welcome to lesson 3.4. In this lesson, we're going to look at models again for linear equations. This time we're going to incorporate slope. So here we have a weight loss situation. So we have 4 friends, they're in a weight loss challenge, and we want to be able to determine what those graph means in terms of slope and intercept. So the slope is actually the change, so the weight loss over weeks, and the vertical intercept is going to be where their starting weight is. Right, so the vertical intercept would be the line that crosses the y. So now we're asked to calculate each person's rate of change. So I'm going to take their new weight minus their old weight and divide by how long it took to get there. So if we're looking at Marcel is at 190 minus 200, and then we're going to divide by 3 because it took him 3 weeks to lose 10 pounds. So it's going to be a negative 10 over 3. For Jonas, gotta make sure I have the order correct. You do the same for Jonas and everyone else. So positive rate of change is up, negative is down, 0 is flat. So there was one person that had a flat rate of change. So Jamie continues losing weight at the same rate, so negative. And then we want to find the formula for the linear model. So the starting weight was 185, and he was losing at 5 pounds every 4 weeks. That'll be T. So after 5 weeks, we would plug in 5 for T, and then calculate our answer. Now if the target rate is 173, we would figure out when 173 equals our expression. So 185 minus 5/4 of T. So another way, if we're given 2 points, we want to use y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I can have 480 minus 600 over 65 minus 50. Now here's the next situation. We're comparing milk and soft drink consumption over the span of 50 years. So here's the graph, and we're going to graph lines for milk and soft drink consumption. So for milk, it started at 36.4 gallons, and then it went to 22.6. So these are estimating. For soft drink, and it's after 50 years. So for the soft drink, we started at 10.9 and then went to 40.3. So I did 2 different colors just to help me keep track of the difference. From the graphs, we need to estimate when were they about the same. So that'd be when do they cross. So I'm looking at that. That's about 24. So the year would be adding 24 to 50. So about 1974 is my estimate. Yours might be different, but it should be in that ballpark. So now we need to make equations for milk consumption and soft drink consumption. So we need to find the slope, and we're actually given the intercept. So for M, is for milk, S is for soft drink. So to find the slope, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and we're going to use two separate equations to find the two separate slopes, one slope for milk, one slope for soft drinks. And then after you find the two equations, you'll set them equal to each other.